Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that DGMA World token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, DaGama is a decentralized discovery app that rewards users to sharing authentic recommendations of real-world location built at the intersection of blockchain, AI, and community governance. The platform combines transparency on-chain data, DAO-based content moderation, and a personalized recommendation engine to deliver trustworthy location insights. DaGama is developing the first real-world location RWL protocol on Arbitrum, aiming to redefine how people explore and evaluate physical spaces. The project is backed by Inspira Lab, ChatGPT Unicorn Factory with strategic support from partners including Arbitrum, Sui, Magic Eden, BitGet, DEXE Network, and more. The Gamma World token total supply is 700 million and circulating supply is not showing yet. DaGama token is listed on Gate.io, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.